All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to put the V8 pressure plate and clutch on the flywheel. All right, we've got it set to 20 foot-pounds. And let's see how we do. All right, there you have it. Pretty simple. These are all torqued to 20 foot-pounds, which is not a lot. It's basically just snugging them up. As you can see, the clutch alignment tool slides right in to the pilot bearing with no problems. 20 foot-pounds all around. Tried to do a crisscross pattern the best I could. And we've got a V8 clutch installed on our H&H flathead four-banger here. And we're just about ready to move on to the next step, which is going to be installing the head. And then we're going to put this sucker back in the Roadster. It's been a long time coming, and looking forward to seeing the fruits of the labor here, or the epic failure for the YouTube video. We'll find out which one it's going to be in the next video, probably. Thanks a lot, guys.